This is adorable. This is like a waffle knit, and this is just a plain top. But I think it goes off the shoulder. Oh, I like this a lot. So it's got the two straps here. This one goes off the shoulder like that, which is really cute. Okay. Very roomy, so that it's not too tight, which I really like. Very soft. This is so nice. Very stretchy. Stay true to size. You do not need to size down in this one. Navy, they have it in brown, pink, they have it in red. And it kind of like crosses up here, if you guys can see that. I like that a lot. Yeah, this is a really cute one. Very, very true to size. You do not have to size up in this at all.